Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to unban Telegram account. So if you are unable to use Telegram account and Telegram has banned your account, then you guys can unban your Telegram account. The question is the how Telegram ban or why Telegram ban your account. So the answer is when Telegram feels something suspicious activities on your account, then they block your account or ban your account. So if you think it might be due to mistake, then you guys can mail the Telegram and ask for unban. So for that you have to just simply open up your Gmail application. So after opening up your Gmail application, you have to just simply make sure that you have logged with an account. So after that, you have to just simply click on the compose, which is pen button here, to write an email. And here you have to just simply write in the to section. You have to just simply write spam at telegram.org. So you have to just simply write this email. After that, you have to just simply in the go to subject section, and here you have to just simply write unban my account. And here in the compose email section, you have to just briefly state the issue that Telegram has banned your account due to some suspicious activities. Then Telegram team will review your mail within 24 to 48 hours and will let you know if there is no any mistake by you, then Telegram will unban your account within 48 hours. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.